The two rubber mounts for the transmission share the same part number, and they are located between the transmission and the aluminum support bracket as indicated by the green arrows. Raise and support the rear of the vehicle on jack stands. You're going to be working below the transmission, and you need to remove the transmission splash shield. Working at the bottom of the transmission support bracket, remove the two 13mm transmission mount fasteners, green arrows. Next, you will have to loosen the top nuts on the transmission mounts, green arrows. Use a 13mm wrench and break them free. Then loosen the nuts about 6 turns. This will give you enough room to remove them when it is time, green arrows. Place a floor jack under the transmission. Use a few wood blocks to protect the transmission from damage. Once the jack and the wood blocks are in place, jack the transmission slightly, just enough to remove weight from the support bracket. Now it's time to remove the support bracket fasteners, green arrows. Use a 13mm socket, remove all fasteners, then remove the support bracket from the transmission. With the support bracket out of the way, you can remove the transmission mounts. When installing the new mounts, be sure the tab on the mount aligns in the slot with the transmission, green arrows. Install the new mounts to the transmission and install the nuts finger tight. Attach the support bracket next and tighten the fasteners. Then lower the transmission and install the lower mounting nuts. Then tighten all of the fasteners for the transmission mounts. Assemble the remaining items in the reverse order of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.